How to trade dollar yen Tokyo Open Session. Tokyo Open 7 o'clock p.m. EST. 10-year JGB yield monitoring, ticker JP10Y on TradingView. Price level, is the yield holding above or below 2.1%? Above 2.1% equals maximum appreciation pressure for JPY. Volatility ATR plus BB on H1. Has the ATR broken above the upper Bollinger Band to standard deviations on the 1-hour time frame? If yes, this signifies organic institutional expansion and a high probability trend. Market structure M15H1. Was there a bearish break of structure boss immediately following the yield spike? DXY dollar index. Is the DXY softening or consolidating while the JPY gains relative strength? Confirmation. If JGB yields rise and USDJPY drops, hunt for long entries on gold at M30, targeting the $4,580. Economic calendar. Check for any BOJ member speeches scheduled within the first 2 hours of the Tokyo session, 7 o'clock p.m. 9 o'clock p.m. EST. Strategic insight. If at 7:15 p.m. EST you observe the JGB yield climb 325 bps and the ATR expand above the upper band on the H1 chart, the probability of USDJPY aggressively targeting the 153.6 support level increases drastically.